Hello, UCAR. Peter Christensen here, coming to you from the CEO's desk. So we're going to talk about a question I've had through the years many times, and that is concerning the FHA-VA loan addendum. So it contains a number of provisions in it, including the appraisal condition. That basically says if it doesn't appraise, buyer's under no obligation to pay and has to be let out without penalty. So the question always comes up, hey, does that tie to the finance and appraisal deadline? Or if the buyer were to get a low appraisal after the finance and appraisal deadline, but they had used the FHA-VA loan addendum, could they still cancel? And the pretty well-recognized answer, I think, is yes, they could still cancel. So why can they still cancel when there's already a date tied to an appraisal condition? Because the way you could look at this is that it's almost a separate condition. It at least modifies, but probably would be treated as a separate condition because it's in an addendum. It's not tied to that section. It has different terms to it, different rules regarding it, including no deadline. And so I think the pretty well accepted answer is, yeah, they can still cancel. This goes with any terms you add to an addendum. It's going to control as far as it differs from any other provisions prior to it. So it's just the same with this one. It's really an additional condition to the purchase. So just be aware of that. Let your sellers know that this is a possibility. Now, probably not a very common situation where they would cancel after the finance and appraisal deadline. They do have to get a low appraisal, and that would trigger it. But yeah, like I say, not usually a big issue, but worth noting to a seller, worth being aware of, so that everybody knows what deal they're striking and can work within those rules. So hopefully that helps. Hopefully we can put this one to rest for a while. If you like this video, check out our library on YouTube. We have other videos as well. And remember, this is not specific legal advice. This is legal information only. If you need specific legal advice, please contact your attorney. Thanks for tuning in. Leave us a comment if you want us to hit another topic. You want to talk about the real estate world or any other parts of the world, leave us a comment. Thanks for tuning in.